Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Ads scripts for e-commerce spend control, full guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Tools and Settings icon located in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Scripts under the Bulk Actions section. Click on the blue plus button to create a new script. You will see a code editor where you can write your script. If you're looking for pre-built scripts, visit the Google Ads script library. Find scripts specifically designed for e-commerce spend management. Copy the entire script code from the library. Paste it into your Google Ads script code editor. Ensure the script is correctly configured for your e-commerce goals. Make any necessary adjustments to the settings and parameters. Now, click on the Save button to store your script. Next, set up a schedule for your script to run automatically. In the script editor, find the scheduling options. Choose how often you want the script to execute, such as daily or weekly. Save the scheduling settings. Finally, click on the Preview button to test the script's functionality. Review the logs for any errors or warnings in the preview mode. If everything looks good, click on Authorize to grant necessary permissions. Now, your script is ready, and Google Ads will execute it according to your specified schedule. Monitor the performance of your script through the Scripts section regularly. Adjust your script parameters as needed based on your e-commerce spending goals. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your e-commerce spend using Google Ads scripts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.